What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. If you want to get your fruits and vegetables in a drink, you might want to try this. All right, guys, so I just picked up this. I've been trying some stuff by Amazing Grass. They make drink mixes, powdered drinks, and they're great because they include all the vitamins and a serving of fruits and vegetables, and so does this. This is actually a little tube of tablets, 10 tablets in here, green superfoods, and it hydrates you. But then on top of that, right there, you might not be able to see it, it says 1 full serving of greens and veggies equivalent. This one is in strawberry lemonade flavor, and I think you just kind of twist or rip off the top here because there's a little security collar there. And it says to take 1 tablet and put it in 8 to 10 ounces of water. Now, I want to just quick show you here, little kind of spring-loaded top so that you don't break them, and then the tablets are in here. I love these things. They're great for just taking on a trip. I've used some of these tablets by None before. They're like hydrating electrolyte tablets on hikes and stuff, and they're great for kind of juicing up your water so that you maintain all the blood pressure you're supposed to and stay hydrated. I do have about 8 ounces of water here, 8 or 9, kind of just eyeballed it a little bit. And the tablet's like brown, which I guess you'd kind of expect if it's made with like alfalfa, wheatgrass, and all that stuff. And hopefully it's effervescent. I'm just gonna drop it in there. Boom, you can see it working. It's nice cold water. I've got a little condensation on the outside. So what I will do is I will just give this a minute to kind of work its magic and effervesce in there and dissolve a little bit, and then we'll try it out and taste it. All right, guys, so I actually waited about 3 minutes, maybe even a little bit more, to let this dissolve. Now, I do want to show you here, I do have the tablet still dissolving, but it's, instead of being like a large and very thick quarter, it's about, nickel-sized. Just dropped a little. I was doing this and I wasn't paying attention, and I spilled a little. Whoops. All right, but it does have kind of a nice lemonade look. It actually kind of looks like grapefruit juice or, a thick punch or something. But it's kind of funny because on the top, which you might be able to see there, we have a little bit of a green froth, like a green head to it, which is kind of cool. So I think, based on the number of bubbles I see in there, it should be almost like a pop, which is kind of cool. I like that effervescence. It's like having a pop. Oh, there it is, popping up on the side. I'll tell you, it smells like a lemonade fruit punch. That hint of strawberry, which I think is intentional, right? So I kind of wonder what it tastes like. Wow, I mean, ooh, the bubbles are totally getting to me. It's actually a little tart, more tart than I thought, and I'm not sure if that is because maybe there's some flavoring in there to kind of overpower the grass, alfalfa, veggie type of taste, but I don't really taste it. It's just maybe more mild. Maybe a more mild, subtle, almost like a Crystal Light, like a toned down lemonade flavor, but it has a little bit of that punchy tartness. And so totally drinkable. So I would tell you what, if you don't like drinking, like with the wheatgrass supplement, mixes, those types of things because of the taste, because of the smell or something like that, you should try this. I know it's only like a 10-pack of tablets. Now, I actually bought this in a 3-pack tube, so I got 30 tablets. Really inexpensive. But if you want to have something like this with you on the go, maybe put in your desk, put some of the good stuff that you want to get into your body into a drink that you're going to actually enjoy. I think this is the way to go, man. I tell you what, I'm so impressed with this. I know that Amazing Grass makes some of the mixes, the powders, in different flavors. So I'm going to pick some of those up because I'm really impressed with this. I actually kind of thought it would be kind of cut a little bit between like that wheatgrass alfalfa taste and then the lemonade strawberry taste. But this really does taste pretty good. That's what's crazy. I didn't expect that. And if it's good for you, I'm kind of believing them, but that's great. Link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda. Out.